In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Udemy. Setting up an account is a straightforward process, and in just a few minutes, you'll be ready to dive into a world of learning opportunities. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Udemy's website by typing in udemy.com. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll see a button labeled Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. Now, with the sign-up form in front of you, it's time to fill in your details. Udemy will ask for your full name, email address, and a password. Make sure that you choose a strong password to keep your account secure. It's also a good idea to use an email that you check regularly, as Udemy will send you notifications and important updates. For those of you who prefer a quicker process, Udemy offers the option to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. This is entirely optional, but can be convenient if you want to skip manual information input. Just choose the corresponding icon and follow the prompts. Once all your information is ready and double-checked for accuracy, it's time to click that Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. This action will officially create your Udemy account. Before you can start exploring courses, you'll need to verify your email address. So, open the email inbox of the address you provided and look for a message from Udemy. It might take a moment to arrive, so be patient and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder just in case. In the email, you will find a verification link. Click on this link to confirm your email address, cementing your new Udemy account. Once you've successfully verified your account, you're all set to log in. Go back to Udemy's website, click on Log In, and use the credentials you just created. Now, you can start exploring the vast array of courses that Udemy offers. Purchase the ones that catch your interest, and embark on your learning journey. Creating a Udemy account is as easy as that. With access to thousands of courses, you can start learning something new today, whether it's for personal growth, advancing your career, or just for fun. Thanks for tuning in, and happy learning!